I found my way into the Times this weekend in a feature written by Jesse Hewitson about the rise of the TikTok trader. This is a subject I've been talking about a lot in the press recently, as I've been vocal on social media about the dangers associated with so-called FinTok or StockTok, social media influencers punting trading tips on TikTok and other social media platforms. This is scary, scary stuff. The article refers to one chap, an 18-year-old, who runs a TikTok channel about investing and claims to earn about £3,000 a month from foreign exchange or forex trading and by mentoring other would-be day traders. This chap has 40,000 followers. I've watched a few of his videos and the levels of ignorance displayed is pretty clear. Before I dive into this one and have a bit of a rant about it, I want to make it clear that it is a good thing that more people are becoming interested in investing money. The subject of investing money should be more accessible. If social media platforms like TikTok can aid in that accessibility and can help foster an interest in the subject, well, great, but it has to be done responsibly. It gets dangerous when you have a significant number of people online selling the get-rich-quick dream, claiming that trading stocks, options, Bitcoin or Forex is somehow a shortcut to overnight wealth. It's really not. As Jesse points out in the article, the European Securities and Markets Authority says between 74% and 89% of non-professional investors lose money when they trade Forex. Some of the FinTok content I've seen is just misguided. The people behind these videos have a little bit of knowledge, and of course we know that a little bit of knowledge can be dangerous. Maybe they've tasted a bit of success, getting lucky with some trades, and they believe this translates into skill or an insight which others would be willing to pay for. I suspect in many cases those influencers see others sharing similar content and they just copy that approach. And then it gets slightly more sinister in other cases. Mildly sinister is the investing related content on social media which contains an affiliate link to a trading platform, something like Robinhood or Trading 212. When you sign up using their affiliate link, you get a free stock, and so do they. With that approach, the online influencer isn't making money off their investing prowess, but instead by directing their followers to sign up for online trading platforms. They probably don't care that the majority of their followers who do this will lose money when they attempt to trade for themselves. It gets even worse. Some investing content on social media is designed to push so-called trading signal services, usually delivered via WhatsApp or Discord. You pay a monthly fee, and then in return, they message you with the trades that they're making or those they recommend. It's all pure guesswork, of course. They win regardless because you pay them your membership fee, and you lose because most amateur traders do lose. Also keep in mind that giving investment advice here in the UK and in most countries around the world requires authorization by a financial services regulator, the Financial Conduct Authority or FCA in our case here in the UK. Anyone offering a trading signals or mentoring type service like this in the UK without the necessary authorization is probably committing a criminal offence, and the FCA will catch up with them and they will face the full force of the law. Probably worst of all are the managed account scams. That's where you hand control of your trading account over to the influencer, the scammer, and they do a runner with your money. We've heard examples of this happening in some cases where initial returns were delivered, but Ponzi style, so they use your own money to pay you back and then fake statements to make your account look profitable. And then you drag friends and family into the scam too, because it looked good and it was working for you, or it looked like it was working for you. So you ultimately all lose your money. So these people that do that are just utter scum. A few of my comments from the Times magazine this weekend. Martin Bamford, a chartered financial planner, looked at Little's TikTok page and was alarmed by what he saw. He suggested Little's mentoring is thinly disguised financial advice, something that is illegal unless you are regulated and have received proper training. Little insists he doesn't give advice, but acknowledges doing so on his early social media videos. Now I know what I can and can't do. When I look at the earlier videos, I can see a lack of knowledge and understanding. And then later in the article, the Financial Conduct Authority, FCA, has the job of protecting naive young investors, yet Bamford points out that the regulator doesn't seem to be taking significant action when people are quite clearly breaking the rules. The result is likely to be an awful lot of people losing an awful lot of money. There is a degree of financial anxiety about the future. COVID-19 has meant job chances for younger people are limited and they are trapped at home. What is being exploited is the fear of having to go out and get a job you hate. It's wanting a short shortcuts to success and wealth, but there are no shortcuts. The only way to get rich is slowly. When I was doing some research in preparation for this video, I stumbled across some analysis from earlier in the month commissioned by the cryptocurrency firm Paxful, which looked at 1,212 posts from personal finance influencers on TikTok and found that 1 in 7 contained misleading advice. I'm actually surprised the number was that low based on the content that I've seen when scrolling through TikTok. The methodology used in Paxful's research assigned a video as misleading if one or more of the following criteria were met. The video recommended investing in specific stocks, shares, or other assets. The video included a guarantee that the investment would make viewers more money, or the video advised investing a particular amount of their savings or income. Here's the thing about any investing or personal finance content you find online, and yes, that includes my videos too. They are never advice. Although I am subject to financial services regulation here in the UK, my firm of chartered financial planners is authorised and regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority. I'm not able to give you advice in these videos because advice is personal. You can only be advised if it's done on a one-to-one basis, and only once the advisor knows enough about you, about your circumstances, about your goals, to make absolutely sure that the advice they give is suitable for you. If you watch a lot of my videos, you will, I hope, notice a couple of important things. Firstly, I never talk about specific investment funds or company shares in the context of a recommendation or even an opinion. And secondly, I never say to do something. I will happily provide my commentary, my interpretation of things, even opinions, but never advice. As soon as you hear someone online suggesting a particular course of action, you should run a mile. Whether that's buying a specific fund, stock, or cryptocurrency using a particular platform, and that includes signing up via their affiliate links, or joining their membership program to receive trading signals or follow along with their trades, then you should run a mile. Just a mini rant from me this time. It's quite disappointing to see otherwise sensible money bloggers and personal finance influencers pushing affiliate links to trading platforms or pivoting their entire channels towards investing and trading. Question their motives. They dabble in the finance space because it pays high affiliate fees and it pays high AdSense revenues. That's really the only reason they're getting involved. Thank you for watching this video. Until next time, I'm Martin Bamford, and remember, when it comes to your money, the more you know, the faster it can grow.